They are destroying our businesses while we are back home for Christmas. Lagos state government is demolishing Computer Village early this morning as Igbo people traveled home for Christmas. From Alaba to Trade Fair, from Trade Fair to Ladipo, and now Computer Village. I hope everyone is watching the fight against Igbo people in Lagos since after the election. Computer Village being bulldozed at the wee hours of this morning by government agents. This fight against the Igbos in Lagos is now an official state policy of the Lagos state government. Let's see how it will end. Happy New Year in advance, my people.
They are largest class when I come to village. Over 2,500 sellers, over 6,000, 5 to 6,000 traders. 12:30 a.m. this morning. A lot of us in December. Some in East and Wahani. Mano do it now. We start the Manakadola. We take a
Barak.